Thousands of women and men from around the world can attest to the near instant fat burning and health restoring benefits of this breakthrough formula. Now it's your turn to enjoy these exact same results for yourself, simply and automatically. Go check it out by clicking the link in the description. Just take it once per day, sit back and relax, as the all-natural combination of nutrients do all the work. With each passing day, you expect to see and feel your body become leaner, healthier, and rejuvenated. You will look forward to looking in the mirror each morning, seeing the changes that have happened overnight, plus the added peace of mind that you are doing something good for your heart, all without having to change a single thing about your diet, exercise, or lifestyle. Every capsule is manufactured right here in the USA, in a state-of-the-art FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under the most sterile and strict standards. They're also 100% all-natural, vegetarian, non-GMO, and completely safe with no side effects. And you'll be able to get access to this breakthrough health-transforming formula in less than 2 minutes. This is something you can do from the comfort of your own home using your own shower in just 30 seconds of your time. Try this today and you may see and feel the difference in a matter of hours. Go check it out. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Weight Online video. Have a nice day.